Hello Bali lovers, how you doing guys? This is the Grand Ina. I'm going now to the Kuta beach, talking with the local vendors there and having some bintang maybe. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Let's see how's the life in Kuta beach today. If it's busier than yesterday on the streets of Kuta, or it's the same like last week's. Check this out. Alright, so this is the entrance to the Bali Kuta beach. The first, next to the Charter Sanctuary and the Grand Ina Hotel. First, yo brother, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
You have Radler? You have Radler lemon? Okay, I will come back later, okay? I will come back. Surfing? I cannot swim. Can you teach me how to swim?
Yes, I can.
Okay, maybe I come back one day, okay? It's somebody here actually. One guy. And there is the one guy here. I don't know where is the seller. He's another one. And there is the Mr. Jimmy. How are you doing, brother?
Hey, good brother.
All good? How are you? Hello.
Hey, good, man. Hey,
Yeah.
I miss you, my friend. Can't wait to see you guys.
So many people already, no?
Not yet. Still very quiet.
Hey, there are any people staying in the Grand Ina over there?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Only locals.
But this hotel is approved by the government for the Aussie people and everything.
But not yet.
Not yet? Not yet?
Still not much.
Did you have any customer like a brand new? I mean somebody
Nah,
who... Not yet?
Not yet. When I have the new customer, I will put on my Facebook.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright. Okay, so follow the Simpson on the Facebook.
Simpson bar. Hey.
But I heard 300 people arrived from Australia last time.
Yep.
But nobody
But
here.
nah, not yet. But still one, they come just.
The guy behind me.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just come like couple hours ago.
Alright.
Yeah. So
Alright.
that's the first one I
Alright.
see. Yeah.
Alright. How's the business? All good? After that? Just waiting, still
Just
waiting.
waiting still. Yeah.
Alright. But you are more popular now after my...
Oh yeah. After the YouTube. Yeah.
That's good, that's good. Hey, do you have lemon?
Oh yeah. Why not?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah,
give
of
me
course,
one, give me
yeah.
one. Alright. So, Grand Ina Hotel is behind me. It's approved by the government for staying here. But seems like nobody actually staying in this hotel from these 300 people who arrive. Let's see, maybe Dutch people tomorrow will come from with KLM. They will stay there. But currently Aussie, no. There's only one guy behind me who is just arrived. Probably, maybe on this plane. But after that, seems like still very quiet here, guys. But I'm gonna have a radler with the boys here, and let's see. Hey, brother, this is your dog, lah?
Yeah. Rocky.
Rocky?
Rocky the boy.
Oh, Rocky, how you doing, buddy?
Famous boy. Rocky.
Famous boy, yeah?
Everyone know Rocky.
Rocky, yeah.
Yeah, Rocky.
All right.
Rocky the boy.
Hi, how are you, darling? How are you today?
Good.
All good? Customers come back, tourists? Oh, happy day.
Good. Customer come back.
Oh, very good.
Good.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Are you Mark?
Hi, are you Mike?
Where you come from?
I'm from Europe.
Oh, from Europe. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're
From
welcome.
Europe, come to Bali, yeah?
Yo.
Oh, yes.
All right. Hello, mate.
Hey man.
How you doing, brother? How you doing, guys?
Yeah.
Just come to Bali, mate?
Yes.
How is it? How, beautiful, right? Can I sit, my friend?
Yes, of course,
All
man.
right.
Of course, man.
So the first bintangs by the beach?
Just thought, yeah.
Full crate. That's good. Hey, are you happy as people coming by?
Yeah.
Big happy.
Big happy?
Big
Really
happy.
happy. Yeah.
That's good, that's good. And how many people arrive with you guys?
It was full flight. So
Full
about
flight?
300.
But you are only the one fella here.
That's fine by me.
Where's the rest?
Not good for these guys.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
But
More customers coming.
Hey bro.
well, yo, whoa!
Yeah, why not?
Welcome.
Hey, come Your second home, Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Oh yeah, somebody is going there. Actually, I'm not sure if you can see the people over there. I will zoom it a bit for you. All right, guys.
Oh, yes.
Enjoy. Take care. Happy business, my friends.
Thank you, buddy.
Okay, take care. See you next time, yeah? All right, it seems like it's definitely better. Vibes is getting better and better. Where's my water? I forgot the water. I had the water. I'm so excited since I forgot the water. One more time. Let's see how's the life next to Timmy today. Timmy the boss.
I'm the boss.
How you doing? These guys offered me last time as they can teach me how to swim. But swim first. Yeah. But really, I cannot swim. I'm not joking. Right. All right, and then surfing, all right? How's the tourist coming? Slowly? Slow?
Not yet coming.
How's Timmy, all right, my friend?
All good.
Hello, that's the Timmy wife. How are you?
She's my ex-girlfriend.
Oh, ex-girlfriend. And this is your ex-child, yeah? The current one. All right, the vibes. There's some people around. Still quiet, but it's getting better and better, that's for sure, guys. So one of our tourists working here next to Timmy. Cheers, Timmy. How you doing?
Cheers.
Oh, Timmy, you said there's some of your friends from Australia coming soon, right?
Yeah.
So, like,
He arrives on 18.
all right.
So after tomorrow.
Oh, after tomorrow.
Yeah,
Oh.
after tomorrow.
So this week still.
And then next month, another couple friends coming.
So yeah, like I said yesterday and today, I think also mentioned, I think we all believe as the next upcoming weeks, yeah, April, May, summertime, more and more people will coming. That's just the first flights coming right now, but well, there's already somebody here already, so it's getting better and better. Hi, Mike. Transport.
Transport, bye.
Many people, many? Not yet?
Not yet.
Coming soon?
Yeah.
I hope so. Coming soon. Take care, my friend, okay?
Okay.
Good luck, yeah? Area of Grantina Hotel. Grantina Hotel is very busy, but as Jimmy said, or Timmy, both of them said, mostly local people here actually, and this is actually what I can see also true. However, this hotel is approved by the government, as you could stay here for your staycation whenever you arrive, for example, from these 23 countries. So there behind me is this also the some construction of the new mini market some sorta, and well, little traffic actually behind me on the other side. So seems like something is going on. Hello. How are you? Welcome to Bali.
Don't worry, come to Bali.
Be happy, don't worry.
Yeah, Bali is no virus.
No virus.
No virus.
All right, take
Everybody is
care.
happy, yeah? Help Balinese people. We crying.
No more crying, no more crying.
No more cries.
All right, take care. As you see, all is good. All of these people thinking because I just arrived to Bali yesterday. Yo, welcome to Bali. Tours. Maybe tomorrow. After breakfast, okay? So all of them, they are thinking as I just came to Bali yesterday, except the people who know me, obviously, in Kuta, but not all of them. It's gonna be good fun whenever so many of the local vendors gonna come back. Meanwhile, okay guys, I will see you tomorrow next one. See you, take care.